In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are seeking ways to supplement their income or explore profitable work-from-home opportunities. One such avenue that offers flexibility and potential financial rewards is buying and selling items, commonly known as flipping. Flipping allows individuals to engage in a business venture with minimal startup capital and without requiring extensive training. So today, I'll take you to the ultimate side hustle for extra income. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Flipping involves acquiring items that hold little to no value to their current owners and then selling them to interested individuals at a higher price. Essentially, a flipper purchases items at a lower price from one market and sells them at a higher price in another market. This simple yet effective process allows individuals to unlock the potential of undervalued items and then turn them into profitable assets. To get a better understanding of this, let me tell you a story about my friend Anthony and his wife Claire. Anthony, a vehicle inspector, had been dabbling into the art of flipping before he met Claire. Following their marriage, he continued his side business and used the profits to provide his family with added comforts and financial security. However, Claire initially took little interest in Anthony's entrepreneurial pursuits until circumstances compelled her to explore flipping as a means to supplement their income. When Claire's agency denied her paid maternity leave, she decided to experiment with flipping. She gathered idle items from their home, listed them for sale on various online marketplaces, and to her surprise, they sold quickly. Encouraged by her initial success, Claire joined Anthony in visiting flea markets and yard sales to source more items for resale. Within a short span of time, she went from earning a few $100s to several thousands of dollars in profit each month. Consequently, Claire bid farewell to her job as a choreographer, and the couple now embraces flipping as their full-time occupation, living their dream life. Flipping presents several advantages for aspiring entrepreneurs. Firstly, the entry level is remarkably low compared to other startup businesses. Traditional ventures often require a significant investment in business registration, office space, and hiring employees. However, flipping can be initiated with as little as $10 to $50. This accessibility allows individuals to enter the market quickly, bypassing lengthy planning and execution phases. Additionally, flipping offers flexibility and convenience. It can be pursued alongside a regular job, making it an ideal side hustle. Flippers do not need to dedicate extensive hours to the trade, as only 15 to 20 hours of work per week are sufficient to generate a substantial income. This minimal time investment allows individuals to earn a few $100s while gaining valuable experience and exposure to the industry. As you gain experience and develop your flipping abilities, you may find that the income generated has the potential to replace your current salary. This realization may prompt you to consider dedicating more time and effort to your flipping business, just as Anthony and Claire did. By transitioning to flipping as a full-time job, you become your own boss, enjoying the freedom and control over your free time. One of the significant advantages of flipping is the additional income it brings. For those struggling to make ends meet or burdened with financial obligations, the extra income from flipping can alleviate the pressure. It can help cover bills, pay off credit card debts, and even provide the means to pursue long-held dreams and aspirations. By embracing flipping, individuals can achieve financial stability and live a debt-free life, benefiting both themselves and their loved ones. Flipping thrives on the principle of value exchange. When you find an item to sell, it means someone somewhere wants to declutter their home and is willing to sell it at a lower price. By purchasing these items, you not only provide them with money for something they no longer need, but also cater to the needs of individuals seeking those specific items. The satisfaction of delivering value to others, coupled with the profits earned, makes flipping a rewarding endeavor. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, now that you're aware of what flipping is, let me give you some practical tips to help you get started on your flipping journey. Number 1, start with places close to you. When starting your flipping journey, your home is an excellent place to begin. Take the time to thoroughly examine each room and identify items that you no longer need but could still hold value for others. This could include unused furniture, electronics, clothing, or collectibles. Categorize these items into 3 groups: those you want to keep, items that need to be discarded or trashed, and items ready for the market. To further expand your inventory, consider reaching out to your neighbors. Approach them politely and inquire if they have any unwanted items that they may be willing to give away or sell to you at a reasonable price. Building a network within your neighborhood can lead to valuable connections and a steady supply of items to flip. Number 2, do your research. To ensure you price your items appropriately and maximize your profit potential, conducting thorough research is crucial. Utilize the vast resources available on the internet to determine the value of the items you plan to sell. Look for similar or related items on online marketplaces, auction sites, or specialized forums. By gauging the market value, you can set competitive prices that attract potential buyers while ensuring a fair return on your investment. It's important to note that the condition, rarity, and demand for an item can significantly influence its value. Take these factors into account during your research to accurately assess the worth of your items. Number 3, take enticing images. In the digital age, appealing visuals play a vital role in attracting buyers to your listings. Utilize your smartphone camera to take clear and high-quality photographs of each item you intend to sell. Ensure proper lighting that highlights the item's features and captures its true appearance. A clean and uncluttered background helps direct the viewer's attention to the item itself. Consider taking multiple angles and shots of the item to provide potential buyers with a comprehensive view. Include close-ups of unique details, any flaws or damage, and any accompanying accessories or components. These photographs serve as visual representations of the item's condition and help potential buyers make informed purchasing decisions. While not mandatory, basic photo editing apps can be used to enhance the quality and presentation of your photographs. Adjusting brightness, contrast, and cropping can further improve the overall appeal of your listings. Number 4, list your products for sale. Now that you have captivating photos of your products, it's time to list them for sale. Register and create an account on popular online marketplaces such as eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Poshmark, or OfferUp. The registration process is typically free, although some platforms may charge a commission for each sale you make. For example, eBay takes a 10% commission from each transaction. When listing your items, consider the payment platform you'll be using to receive payment. Most online marketplaces accept PayPal, which deducts a 3% fee from each successful transaction. It's important to factor in these additional costs when setting your price. For instance, if you intend to list an item for $80 on eBay, accounting for the 10% commission and the 3% PayPal fee, it would be wise to list the item for $100. Upload the images you took of your products and ensure that each image corresponds accurately to the listing you've created. Double check your spellings, figures, and descriptions to ensure they align with your intentions. Avoid making mistakes like Mr. Jones, who accidentally listed an item for $100 instead of $1,000, causing frustration and financial loss. Number 5, packaging and shipping your products. Before listing your items for sale, check their size and weight. Record the measurements of the packaging material you'll be using, as shipping companies determine charges based on these factors. There are 2 approaches to shipping costs. Either list the shipping cost separately from the item price, or include the shipping cost in the overall price. Both strategies have their advantages, and you can choose the approach that suits your business goals. When packaging your items, ensure that the materials are appropriate in size to prevent damage during shipment. Avoid using containers that are too big, as they may cause shaking and potential harm to the product. Conversely, packaging that is too tight can result in scratches on the product's surface. Maintain cleanliness and present your items in the best possible condition. Number 6. Scale your business. Having tested your skills in buying and selling, you've experienced the thrill of making money in this business. Now it's time to scale your merchandise and explore new supply sources beyond your home and neighborhood. Venture into treasure hunting by visiting places like junkyards, flea markets, auctions, estate sales, thrift stores, and even the junkyard. These locations often offer underpriced items that can easily be flipped for a profit. As you expand your sourcing channels, maintain your keen eye for undervalued items and seize opportunities to increase your inventory. Gradually build a network of suppliers and establish relationships that can provide you with a consistent stream of profitable products. Scaling your business allows you to grow your profits, increase your reach, and establish yourself as a successful flipper. Well, that's basically the ultimate side hustle for extra income. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.